In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign up form on Mailchimp step by step. This process should take about 5 minutes, making it quick and easy for anyone to get started with building their subscriber list. First, you'll need to go to Mailchimp's website and log in with your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one easily by following their prompts. Logging in is necessary to access all the tools and features available in your dashboard. Once you have successfully logged into your account, navigate to Sign Up Forms. This section is where you'll be able to create, customize, and manage all your sign up forms. In your Mailchimp dashboard, you'll need to click on Audience. This is where all your subscriber information is stored and managed. Under the Audience section, you'll find a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Sign Up Forms. Now you're in the right place to start creating your customized forms. Mailchimp offers a variety of form types that cater to different needs and preferences. Depending on how you wish to collect subscriber information, you can choose from the various forms available. Let's dive into the options you have. First, there's the Form Builder. This is a simple drag and drop tool that allows you to customize your form's appearance and the fields it contains. It's perfect for those who want full control over the design without needing any coding skills. Next up, we have Embedded Forms. This option is great if you want the form to be a part of your existing website. With this type of form, Mailchimp provides you with HTML code that you can add directly to your website. Lastly, there's the landing pages option. This is a dedicated page for signups which you can link to or share. It's a great option if you want to give your sign up process its own spotlight. Now let's create a form using the Form Builder. Choose Form Builder from the available options. Once you've selected this, you can start customizing your form fields according to your needs. You might want to add fields like name and email, among others, to capture the information that's important to you. If embedding the form directly onto your website sounds more appealing, choose Embedded Forms from the list. Mailchimp will then provide you with the necessary HTML code. Simply copy this generated code and paste it into your website's HTML where you'd like the form to appear. This allows for seamless integration, helping your sign-up form fit right in with your website's existing design. And there you have it. Now you're ready to start collecting subscribers through your very own Mailchimp sign-up form. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching and happy mailing.